Getting a planner for the new year is half the fun. Getting supplies for your planner is the other half. We're sharing our must-have planner supplies for 2024 to help keep your schedule organized. To see recommendations for specific planners, click the card above. Planner Basics. If you're starting from scratch, we suggest grabbing a few items to start: a pen, highlighters, stickers or stamps, and maybe a bookmark. Everyone's favorite planner pen got a major upgrade last year. The Pilot Friction Ball Knock Zone features ink that is 30% more saturated than that of the original Friction gel pen, which will definitely help your schedule stand out. Plus, it's just as erasable as its predecessor, so you can keep your spreads neat when plans change. The only downside is that it's only available in 3 colors right now, so you might want to stick with the original Friction gel pen for more colors. Or you could get your color fix with a highlighter set. The Monami Live Color Twin Marker is available in 3 color-coordinated sets that range from muted to bright. Highlighters are perfect for blocking out periods of time, emphasizing important events, or just adding a fun splash of color to a boring spread. These markers even have a fine liner on the other side, so you can use them to write too. If you have recurring to-dos, events, or habits you're tracking, a set of pre-inked stamps will save you time. We like the Pilot Friction stamps because they're thermosensitive and erase with heat from friction, perfect for when plans change. They're always coming out with new designs, so get them while you can. If you just want to add some charm, sticker sheets like Hisago My Fave planner stickers are also themed and color-coordinated to make cohesive spreads. Finally, we recommend picking up a bookmark or two, so you can easily flip to the latest or most important pages in your planner. Mark's index bookmarks come in sets of 2, one for marking the month and another for the day. These might be a bit too bulky for some, so for an equally whimsical option that's more compact, these animal-themed Tolkien index clips will make flipping through your planner more fun. The silhouettes are made of thick paper, so you can write or draw on them as well. DIY planners. If you prefer to build your own layouts, our favorite supplies will make creating planner spreads a cinch. The one item we absolutely recommend for DIY planners is our very own JetPens Kanso writable washi tapes. They make it easy to create calendars, habit trackers, checklists, and more. We designed the shape and days of the week tapes to fit perfectly in 5mm dot grid or graph paper, so you can use them in your favorite notebooks, like Leuchtturm 1917 bullet journals, Midori MD notebooks, or Rhodia web notebooks. Plus, the tapes are writable with gel pens, so there's no need to pull out a separate marker to use them. Washi tapes can add bulk to your planner, so if you want to keep it slim, use schedule stamps like these BGM clear stamps. You can pair them with any stamp pad, but we like the Shachihata stamp pads for their range of beautiful colors. Make sure to pick up an acrylic block. It'll be hard for you to use them otherwise. Those who prefer to carry their supplies around can consider smaller stamps like these Beverly Planner Companion stamp sets. They come in sets of 9, so you can pick and choose which ones to keep with you. They're perfect for marking special days and events, or even just decorating a spread. We recommend picking up the compact MU Inky pen stamp pads to use with them. They're extremely portable, with 3 unique colors stacked together. Make sure to test this in your planner because it can leave oily residue on some papers. To spruce up your layouts, we can't get enough of these Mark's Flake stickers. Not only are they super cute, you can actually write on them. We can definitely see the frame stickers being used as labels. We also love the Kamio Japan Korore rolling stamps. Simply roll the stamps to add adorable borders to your spreads. You can even color in the designs because the ink becomes waterproof once dry. And you don't have to worry about losing the caps on these because they're attached. And there you have it, our must-have planner supplies for 2024. Let us know in the comments if any of these items caught your eye and how your 2024 planner journey is going. My planning journey will never end. As always, the products are in the description and at JetPens.com, the place for pen and stationery lovers. Thanks for watching!